What you're looking at is a broken bar of Ivory soap in a microwave, and I put 2 drops of different color food coloring on it. We're going to see what happens. I'll move out of the way so you don't see my stupid reflection. Huh. I thought the food coloring would do more than that. It's now been cooking for 55 seconds. It's now been cooking for 1 minute. You can see a little bit of the food coloring. It's not terribly exciting. Man, my whole microwave smells like Ivory soap right now. I'm going to cut this off after 1 minute and 30 seconds because it looks like it's making an extra big mess compared with the last time. Here we go. I was really expecting the food coloring to do more than that. Scientific transition there.
You'll be a limbo star. How low can you go?
And just like the other batch, it feels kind of like cotton candy almost.